you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has got to come.
What is up, and welcome back. Pardon me while I'm out of breath for a second. I just did a 15-minute HIIT workout on my mixed bike. You guys know that I've been saying that I want to combat my seasonal depression, stay in shape, and be healthy through the winter. I'm so excited, you guys, that I'm now able to with my mixed bike and the Openfit app. Mix is sponsoring today's video so that I can share with you guys their bike, the Openfit app, and how easy it is to be able to get amazing workouts from home. They gave me a unique discount code, TreyChicMama, all caps, for you guys to get a discount. And I will, of course, have the link in the description box below. You guys, I'm obsessed with my bike. It has motivated me to work out at home. I am not an at-home workout person, but having this bike and the Openfit app with tons of different workouts has really started to motivate me. Mix really encourages you to work out at your own pace too. I love that there are different levels of intensities, there are different durations, and tons of different trainers. They're all encouraging and uplifting and not intimidating whatsoever. And I love the ones with the upbeat music that help keep me motivated. With Mix, there's no comparison when it comes to value. You get everything you need at an affordable price right at home. There's, like I said, a bunch of different workouts, not just bike rides. You can use the Openfit app with look at all of these different types of workouts. Even if you have a hectic schedule and only have 10 minutes to work out with a heart rate monitor based training, it provides efficient and effective workouts, even if you only have 10 minutes. I'm like starting from square one though, because I kind of stopped working out once the weather got cold and after my vacation, and so I'm kind of starting out at square one. But what I love the most about the Openfit app is that they have all kinds of different levels, all kinds of different workouts that have like from 10 minutes, you know, all the way up an hour-long workouts. So lots of different like choices for different physical fitness levels, like for beginners and whatnot, so you don't feel like discouraged or unmotivated. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get myself cleaned up and ready for the day. I do feel so accomplished though that I got my workout done. It was just a quick 15 minutes today, but I was able to get my heart rate up and just get it done. Like, it doesn't matter if it's a really long ride, it doesn't matter if it's a short ride, like just get yourself moving, get your blood flowing. It makes me feel so happy and definitely helps with my endorphins.
My mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who.
Okay, so I put myself together. I haven't put on mascara, so I look a little like bald in the eye region, but I made myself another coffee just to be like cozy and warm. And I didn't even finish my first one actually. And I'm gonna go ahead and just chill with my light on. I'm still trying to do this every single day. I would say I do it 90 to 95% of days. Sometimes I might forget and I'm just busy out and about, which I guess is good because I'm still getting light. But the goal is every single day still for me. I try to do a full strength for 30 minutes a day. That's my goal. I might increase it to longer, depending on how I feel. We did just come off of several rainy, cloudy, dark days. The lighting is gonna get weird here in just a second. But anyway, yeah, so I try to do it daily. So yeah, we are coming off of a few days of really dark, cloudy, rainy days. So I was finding myself feeling a little blah and unmotivated, not heavy depressed like I was like last year and the last, you know, winters. So yes, still needing the light, that's for sure. And then with exercise, that will help. And then eating healthy, that's gonna help as well, which I wanna make a healthy dinner. I have no idea what to make, so I think I'm gonna scroll Pinterest while I go ahead and do my light. I'm gonna scroll Pinterest. Sydney's around here somewhere. She's just been like playing in pajamas. It's noon and she's still in pajamas. I knew, I heard your little footprints. You get a snack. Yeah, I'm gonna scroll Pinterest while I do my light thing. I like to stand up and have myself be like in the kitchen instead of sitting down.
Sorry to interrupt you. I just want you to open my pizzas first,
Pears?
please.
These are pears.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting.
She asked for a snack. She's gonna have some pears. Anyway, I am going to scroll Pinterest, figure out what I'm gonna make for dinner. I do have to go to the grocery store and pick up probably ingredients to make dinner. I also have to go to the post office. I haven't been there since before Christmas, and I've sold a couple of things like some cameras, old cameras, and bags and clothes and whatnot. I go to scroll healthy recipes and this is what's on my feed, like pancakes, desserts. Can you tell what I was looking up during the holidays? Donut hole trees. Oh gosh. I had some shipping labels that I needed to print, and Sydney wanted to color, play with dot markers, and then she decided she wanted to make one of our neighbors a card. She's so thoughtful like that. So that is what was happening right now.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that
Whew, it's a chilly one. Sydney, you got all your stuff?
Ice. Can I ice skate on it real quick?
Yeah, be careful. Be really careful.
What do I count? Blanket.
It's thick. Thick. Okay, let's go. Oh my word, it's so cold.
show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
We went to the post office, dropped off what we needed to, and then ran to Hannaford. I only got like literally a couple of things. I was tempted because I went there hungry. I just got some bread. I got a rotisserie chicken, and then just celery and carrots. I already have an onion here, and I have a bunch of like other stuff. And what else? Bay leaves. And blackberries. Yeah, that's fine, Sydney. Bay leaves and blackberries, because we're down to just like a banana or so. for fruit.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So I'm gonna make some chicken noodle soup for dinner, and then hopefully have enough for leftovers for like lunch tomorrow, school lunch, and my lunch. I'm actually not a fan of chicken noodle soup. Like, I would never order it out or get a can of like, I don't know, it's just not my thing. But homemade, I think we can make it so that it will taste delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and use this instead of, I do have like regular chicken broth. You can totally make it with that. I just prefer the flavor of the bouillon seasoning. So I think I'm gonna do maybe half this, half the broth, who knows. But I'm gonna do that. I have an onion here. We're gonna do obviously like onion, celery, carrots. Super simple though, like chicken noodle soup's gonna be very easy. I got the bay leaves, like I said. We have Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. And then I just throw in, I didn't get egg noodles because I know I have pasta here. Egg noodles would probably be the best, but it's pretty much all that's gonna go into the soup. Some oil, a little bit of garlic. I also got a new little chopping board. You guys will be proud. I feel like an actual adult with a real chopping board. Really excited to use this. It's like nice from Christmas. My mom got it for me, so excited to be using that.
So before I started cooking really and like trying to, you know, make different recipes and learn how to actually cook foods, I would think things like chicken soup was so difficult and hard to do, like a homemade soup. It's so easy though, so easy. And I hope you guys try these recipes out yourself. Homemade is just, it just hits differently. It's so much better. You can control the sodium too. Like, that's the best part for me, because I feel like canned soups can be so salty, and I associate them with like sickness. Anyway, that's my rant about making homemade chicken soup. So I'm heating up some olive oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in the onion in the pot and cook them until they're translucent. So just a couple of minutes, you know, stirring them and whatnot.
Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
I ended up adding some garlic, probably like a teaspoon or so of garlic in there with the onions once they were translucent, and I just stirred it around very quickly. Don't want to burn the garlic. And then I went ahead and seasoned salt and pepper. I have a mix of Italian seasonings, and then you'll see too, I put in a couple of bay leaves. I used water and then the bouillon seasoning to kind of make the broth. I tell you in just a second, but I ended up doing a little bit of the like regular boxed chicken stock as well as the bouillon seasoning, because I really wanted more soup to have leftovers with. And then I threw in our veggies and had everything come to a boil. I put the I put the top on the pot as well, and I let that simmer in marinating flavors.
just for pure volume, since I felt like I didn't have enough here and I didn't want to use all of my bouillon seasonings, I ended up using the chicken broth. So I poured that all in there. I gave it a little taste test and it needed more seasoning, so I did more salt and pepper and then a little bit more Italian seasoning. I'm gonna let that just simmer until everything is nice and soft. I am gonna add the rotisserie chicken in a little bit, and then the pasta, of course, like fairly right before serving kind of ish, so it doesn't get mushy. Well, since I don't have egg noodles, this is the only thing that I can think of, or I could do rice, but I don't really want to, that I think will be okay in the chicken soup. I don't have like rotini or anything. I have macaroni noodles and bow tie pasta, which is, no, I think this is probably our best bet. I definitely recommend egg noodles though, because those hold, I feel like, consistency and whatnot. But anyway, I just shredded up some chicken and put that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and like save the rest of the chicken for other snacks and meals for us. I'm gonna just go ahead and pour this in here, and then we should be able to eat it in a few minutes. I always overdo the pasta, so I'm trying not to, but it's my favorite part of the soup. Last second, I decided to add just a tiny bit of frozen spinach. I mean, really just for looks. But I did add just a little bit of spinach, and so that's gonna cool. It looks like it's gonna be really flavorful and delicious. Sydney's already eating the bread and butter. But yeah, super simple. The orzo looks like it's gonna be good in there, a good amount. Okay. Sydney just made me so happy because she said, "Good job cooking, Mama. This is so good." No, 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 that's my bread.
Can I have one?
Maybe you gotta eat your soup.
The soup came out so good. Sydney had 2 bowls, I had 2 bowls, and then I sent her to school with it for lunch today. She requested that instead of a sandwich. So definitely a good, like, homemade, comforting soup. So I ended the evening just folding that big batch of laundry that I had started earlier in the day. Don't forget, if you guys are interested in checking out Mix, I have my discount code, TreyChicMama, and the link is in the description box below. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.